Paytelligence has developed an integrated credit card processing solution for Sage CRM. Let's take a look at some of the benefits. There's no need for additional licenses to process credit card transactions directly in Sage CRM. Process credit card or electronic check, also known as ACH transactions, directly in Sage CRM. Save time by staying in CRM to process transactions. Save money by combining multiple invoices for one credit card transaction. CRM users can access Sage 300 ERP credit card info as well as update the credit card info directly in Sage CRM. Process payments for OE orders, OE invoices, and AR invoices directly in Sage CRM. Paytelligence Day-End creates all receipt batch entries, regardless whether the transaction was processed in Paytelligence or Sage CRM. Let's watch a user in Sage CRM process some credit card transactions directly in Sage CRM. The user is now bringing up a Sage 300 ERP customer. Once the customer is up and the summary page is shown, the Credit Card tab and the Transaction Processor tab are visual. The Credit Card tab will show any prior credit cards that were stored. The Transaction Processor tab will display orders, OE invoices, or AR invoices needing payment. The user would simply click on the Filter tab and all invoices needing payment will appear. There are a total of 5 invoices showing. The user will add a new credit card on the fly to be used for our transaction. Paytelligence can support an unlimited number of merchant accounts. The user has selected the merchant account, which will align to the credit card being entered. As you could see, the user is going to enter a MasterCard credit card and then enter the expiry month and the expiry year. They will choose this credit card as the default card to be used, and the user will click Save, which will validate and store the card. The card has been validated and is accepted. The card is now ready to be used for invoices. Invoice 56, the user wants to know more and has the ability to drill down. The user is now ready to make some payments and is adjusting the payment for a short pay for invoice 56. The user will select the rest of the invoices to be paid in full. The user will simply click the Process button and our transaction has been approved for all 5 invoices. It also remembers the short pay, and invoice 56 has a remaining balance of $300. The user is now accessing the Credit Card tab and will delete the credit card, which will expire next month. As you see here, the user can simply click the Edit button and choose Delete. The card will be permanently removed and the profile has been successfully deleted. The user has completed processing all credit card transactions directly in Sage CRM. Now let's take a look in Sage 300 ERP as the user will run Paytelligence Day-End. Paytelligence Day-End will create all the receipt batches for all credit card transactions processed in Sage CRM as well as Sage 300 ERP. Day-End is now complete, and let's watch as the user will post in AR transactions the receipt batch entries. And here it is. Here is the receipt batch entry for the transactions that we processed in Sage CRM. And as you can see, invoice 56 is due for $300 as there was a short pay of $538.94. Looks all good, and the user is going to post this receipt batch entry. This completes the credit card transactions processed in Sage CRM, with all the receipt batch entries being created and posted in Sage 300 ERP. Can your Sage CRM solution process credit card transactions? Contact Paytelligence and request your demonstration today.